Hi, I'm Glenn with Family Handyman. If you own some land like we do at our greenhouse site, you need a tractor or maybe a utility vehicle or at least a zero-turn radius mower. We're talking about those today and starting with this Kubota 2380 BX Series tractor. With all the accessories from a front loader to a mid-mount mower to a tiller, disc, box scraper, this tractor can do so much work for you. It's a tool you've got to have if you own some land. What makes a tractor like this so valuable is a three-point hitch system. And this three-point hitch allows you to easily disconnect and reconnect a variety of accessories and implements. All I have to do is release these two arms. That opens up the pins, so when I drop the three-point down, I can drive off. It's just as easy to hook it up, drive off. So with a tractor like this, you can do all kinds of work. Front end loader, disc, all kinds of accessories, implements. But if you want to have a little more fun, a little more recreational vehicle, that's when you need a UTV. If you want something with a little more fun, a little more attitude, you need a utility vehicle like this Polaris Ranger 570. So a utility vehicle like this will help me do a lot of work on my property. It's got the bed so I can carry a bunch of stuff. But when I want to get out in the woods, if I want to go hunting in the fall, or if I've got some tree work I got to do, or if I just want to go for a ride in a beautiful location like this Polaris Ranger utility vehicle, four-wheel drive will get me anywhere, and I can do it with a buddy. So this Polaris Ranger 570 is the North Star edition. That means it's got a cab with the windshield wiper, fully enclosed, windows roll up, it's got heat inside for the winter, which is awesome. And based on the Polaris Ranger body, this is all-wheel drive, it's selectable. It's got that 570 four-stroke engine, liquid-cooled, independent suspension front and rear, and the tiltable cargo bed helps me get a bunch of work done. So a utility vehicle like this will help me get a lot of work done. I can even pull a mower behind it and take care of this grass. But if you've just got a whole lot of grass to cut and you want it done really well, I've got the vehicle for you. So here it is, the zero-turn radius mower from Exmark. This is their Radius E-Series with a 48-inch deck. And if you've got acreage to cut, plus some trees and a patio and a garden to navigate around, you need a zero-turn radius mower. It's designed to do acreage fast and easy. We're going to show you how it works. So the best thing about a zero-turn radius mower is the maneuverability. Because I can turn on a dime, I don't have to come back later with a small mower or with a weed whacker and do the fine trimming. This thing gets me close to patios, to sidewalks, and quickly around trees with precision. This Radius from Exmark has some nice features, including this lift-up foot deck that gets me access to the belts. You just get a lot of grass and dirt built up in there, and I can clean that out easily. To set the height of the mowing deck, I can change it from 5 3/4 down to 1 inch. Simple little pin that drops into place securely, and then you lift and lower the deck when I need to get over a tree root or a sidewalk with just a foot lever. Oil changes are a breeze. I can get to the filter, I can get to the oil plug easily. I don't have to spend a lot of time with maintenance, and I only have to change the oil about once every season. It's got this beefy steel guard over the exhaust muffler. That's very hot, you want to stay away from it. But I've got a nice flange attached so I can hook up a trailer. If I want to tow a sprayer, if I want to tow a small utility trailer, Exmark makes it really easy to do that. Also at the hour meter, I can see when I turn the key to start it, all my indicators mean good, I can start it right up. So we tried out 3 different work vehicles. We moved some dirt, we motored down the trail, and we mowed a large lot. You've got great options. If you've got a lot of work to do, a tractor's probably your method. If you want to play and do some work, then a utility vehicle will take you and your pal for a trail ride. But if you've got to manicure a large lot, then you need a zero-turn radius mower. For more great product tests, visit us at familyhandyman.com.